Hey guys, it's Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. It's our most recent update for North Grove Hills located in Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan. A pre-selling subdivision, 99.9% sold. Parang yung ano lang yan it can kill 99.9% of germs. Yung ganun. Oo, kasi guys, actually sa inventory right now, bibigyan ko kayo ng updated or latest inventory. We only have 3, okay? So, isang slot na pre-selling itatayo pa lang whether redwood or oak or aspen yung pipiliin mo doon. And then, yung dalawang slot ay ready for occupancy na or nakatayo na, ready na oakwood bungalow. So, yun yung ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, guys, yung model unit ni oakwood bungalow. Just to let you know, guys, no, itong North Grove Hills, napakadami na pong nakatayo. Dahil nga, ano na siya, literally almost sold out na rin naman na siya, Fury opens na lang. At ito pinapakita ko sa inyo guys sa video. Ayan o, ayan, diba? Ang dami na nakatayo guys. So, yung mga blocks na yan, diba? 11, 12, and then pababa doon, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tapos yung doon pa sa side na yun, puro bahay na dito guys. Ayan, doon. Ito kasi nga, nakikita ng space na to, itong malaking block na space na to. Ito kasi ay amenity area. This is where we gonna construct our swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court, parks and playground. And one thing unique about this project, we're gonna have 1.4 hectare tree park right inside your subdivision. O diba guys, napakaganda po ng project natin sa North Grove Hills. And very exciting kasi marami rin nagtatanong, diba? Sa lahat na ng mga clients ko, kahit hindi ko man clients, pero you always watch my update here at North Grove Hills. Within this year, mukhang may ano na po, lilipat na po talaga, no? Kasi okay naman na yung Meralco natin and ang water po natin dito, Santa Maria Water District, SMWD. Okay guys, so yung natitira natin guys, para to sa mga hindi pa nakaka-avail sa North Grove, o kaya naman gusto magdagdag, or may kamag-anak, may kapatid whatsoever, tapos gusto yung ano na, nakatayo na, oakwood bungalow yung target, o perfecto. Kaya keep on watching, tara. So, ito guys, ang ating oakwood bungalow. So, yung ating natitira na ready for occupancy oakwood bungalow, 80 square meter yung lote niya. Ganito siya, perfect example sa ating dress-up model kasi naka-gate and fence yung kanyang model. Pero sa turnover, kayo yung magpapagate and fence ha. Sa model lang pa yung pag-guide. So, kasya po dito ang sedan, even an SUV sa parking, okay? At meron kong garden sa labas at loob. Welcome to Oakwood Bungalow, complete finish, turnover bungalow house. So, wala ka lang papagawa kasi painted na po yung kanyang wall. 60 by 60 yung tiles. Meron na tayong ceiling. Naka-partition na yung bed, may kitchen, may toilet and shower. O diba guys, no? So bedroom 1. This is your bedroom 1 for Oakwood Bungalow. Yan, pwede kang mag-double deck. So, basically, up to family of 4. 4 members pwede dito. So, for example, may dalawa kang anak. Yan. And then, yung master's bedroom sa parents. Ayan. Nakalock siya. Nakalock lang yung master's bedroom. Pero meron tayong dalawang bedroom na naka-partition na. And ito yung ating small kitchen here over this side. Kitchen area. And maluwag po yung ating toilet and shower. Sa toilet and shower natin guys, ganyan. Oakwood Bungalow toilet and shower. Okay? Meron tayong access door here to the nakalock lang to, pero pakita ko sa inyo sa labas guys, yung kanya car garage. So, maluwag pa yung space mo dito. May nagtatanong kasi minsan yung Oakwood Bungalow, pwede bang pataasan? Ito kasi, single story lang yung foundation niya. Hindi siya pang 2 floors or pang second story. Kasi diba, depende yun sa ano kung ano yung ginamit na materials, diba? So, kapag bungalow, kasi pang single story or pang bungalow, yung the way it was constructed. Kung mag-expand ka, dito ka sa extra space mo. For example, papalagyan mo to ng, gusto mo magkaroon ng balcony or roof deck effect, ganyan. And then, yun na yung bubong ng garahe mo. Pwede yun. Just be creative, you know? And here, your extra lot on the side and at the back. So, maluwag pa siya dito, guys, ha? Paggawa ka dito ng iyong service area or laundry area, alright? Kita niyo naman, di ba? May maluwag pa yung space. Hindi, naharangan lang kasi ng mga dahon-dahon natin. Mga puno natin. For today's video, if you like my update here at North Grove Hills, guys, syempre, bibigyan ko na agad kayo ng sample competition. Gaya ng sabi ko ha, ready for occupancy yung oak wood na natitira, 2. So, magbibigay na ako ng sample competition ng RFO. RFO na po siya. So, please, kung kaya po, i-cash out po natin. Cash na po talaga kasi. Ang down payment po ay cash. 10%, 20% cash. Or kung kaya mo pa ng higher, mas okay. And then yung balance, ilo-loan po natin yan sa bank financing or pag-ibig financing. Okay, clear po ba tayo dyan? Yan po yung ating details, alright? So, very, ano lang naman siya, no? Very affordable, 3.2 million. Kayang-kaya, di ba guys? Since dalawa lang yan, pili ka na kaagad. Online reservation, first come, first serve po 100% online reservation. OFW ka man saan ka man panig ng mundo, masisecure mo na po yung slot na RFO for Oakwood. So, kontakin mo na ako kaagad-agad. Mention Oakwood Model, RFO. Yan po yung aking Viber WhatsApp number. Yan guys. Alright? Kontakin nyo na ako since paunahin lang po yan. Okay? Kita nyo naman guys, within this year, may dilipat na. So, kung ikaw ay plano mo na mas mabilis yung turnover, di ba? Gawin na natin yan kasi yung in terms of requirements naman, basta maayos yung documents mo para ma-process na siya kay financing, whether bank or pag-ibig man yan, di ba guys? So, yan po yung ating sample computation for Oakwood Bungalow. Bigyan ko na rin kayo ng total contract price ni Red, yung nag-iisang redwood at aspen natin. Ayan, pinapakita ko sa screen lot area, redwood, TCP, aspen, TCP. Ayan siya guys. Dahil pre-selling yan, pwede yan installment down payment up to 24 months, 0% interest. Okay? All you need to do to get the sample computation, complete sample computation, contact me as soon as possible. Viber, WhatsApp number on the screen. Diba guys? Nakikita niyo naman. Yan po yung aking contact number. Kontakin nyo ako agad dahil bawal po mag-walk-in dito at gaya na sabi ko, 2 to 3 slots na lang yung natitira. 99.9% sold out na rin naman ang project, di ba? So guys, kung ikaw naman gumagamit ka ng Messenger, Facebook, ayan, meron din akong, yan, naka-blue check, follow mo ako, or mag-message ka lang, sabihin mo lang Redwood, Aspen, or Oakwood, RFO, whatever. Just mention those keywords. Alam ko na yan, send ko sa sample competition, and qualify ka agad ito, online qualification, and then we can move on and go ahead, secure your slot. May kita mo naman yan sa mapa kasi share ko naman lahat sa inyo mga details na yan. So again, you just have to contact me talaga as soon as possible and directly, di ba guys? And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But if this is your first time watching about North Grove Hills, pakita ko na rin sa screen yung kanyang mga nearby establishment, yung advantage at benefits din ng ating subdivision. Di ba guys, these past few days, it's been raining, pero yun naman, wala namang pong baha, binisita natin, di ba? Rainy season na po kasi, typhoon season na, so hindi naman po binaha ang ating North Grove Hills. Diba guys? So, all you need to do, again, is to contact me as soon as possible and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Let's have a last look kay Oakwood. Let's go out and see the beauty of Oakwood model. Yung kanyang kabuuan, guys. Beautiful, stunning Oakwood model ready for occupancy. Dito lang yan sa North Grove Hills at by Belmar Land Incorporated, guys. So, what are you waiting for? Kung gusto mong makahabol sa 0.1%, kasi nga 99.9% sold out na tayo, kontakin mo kaagad ako sa aking contact number. So, I hope to see you all guys soon. My name is Nicole. Thank you for watching.